So, you want to play I Spy?
All right.
Okay.
I'll go first.
Okay.
I spy something green.
Tree?
Oh.
My turn?
Yeah.
Okay, I spy something tall.
Tree.
Okay.
I spy something with bark.
Tree.
Oh.
Okay, I spy something, a vertical log.
Tree.
Yeah.
Okay. I spy
Tree.
some. Oh.
Okay, my turn.
Tree.
No, I got.
No, it counts.
I didn't even spy anything.
It counts.
Okay. Tree.
Let's play something else.
Let's begin. Come to us, O spirits of the house. I command you.
Maybe you should ask nicely.
Silence! Yes, yes, I feel the presence of the great Magoo by the Haley of Comets. I command you. Show yourself, now!
Told ya, you can't conjure no ghosts.
There's no ghost. That happens all the time.
It is to the ghost. It is to.
Roxy, there's no such thing as ghosts.
What was that?
Just the raccoons getting back in.
But you closed the window. My ghost trap! It caught her!
Ghost trap!
Come on,
Roxy,
Dad.
be careful!
Boone. I'm the new assistant coach.
Well, for the looks of things, I'd say we got about all the help we need around here. Why ain't you outside there with all your little friends hollering?
This was the time that was arranged for me to meet with Coach Yost. I never miss an appointment.
Well, maybe you just better reschedule.
Coach Boone, the school board made the decision to put you on my staff. I did not hire you.
Well, I came up here to coach at GW. I didn't ask the schools to redistrict. I didn't ask to be assigned to your staff, so I guess we're both in a situation we don't want to be in. But I can guarantee you this, Coach. I come to win.
Win? Coach Yost here has been nominated to the Virginia High School Hall of Fame. 15 winning seasons.
Get me up to speed.
We've got a 20-story building. Most of it's concrete, most of the fire's on the top 8 floors. And after that explosion on 12, one of our guys went missing. Jack Morrison, ladder 49.
Any radio contact with him?
None.
Anybody with him?
The other members of ladder 49 made it out. They're in the stairwell with the victims.
You reported this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Deputy Chief 1 to communications. I'm on location, assuming command. Strike out a 4th alarm. Okay. Shut down all exterior operations. Get your asses in there and find them. Go, go, go.
My name is Al Bean. That's me. standing at the Ocean of Storms on November 21st, 1969. There I am again, 5 very heady days later, aboard our recovery ship where they set up a quarantine trailer for me and my 2 crewmates. Pete Conrad, my skipper, and Dick Gordon, our command module pilot. They were Gemini veterans who were about as cool as they come. People were treating me with great care, making sure that we hadn't come home with any alien diseases.
Careful not to puncture his brain, Doc.
Well, that is very funny, Dick. You're very funny. Oh.
And now, live from the detention hall of the Walt Disney World Pet Care Center, it's showtime! Well, it would take an awful lot of clouds to rain on my parade. Lapping lemonade, man, I got it made. I got a brand new bone to call my own, and all the bills are paid. I'm so glad I stayed. I'm dogging it. Now he don't mind if people call him lazy. Woof, woof. If they don't see his highway, his way, that's just crazy. You know that I could pass the day away just barking up a tree. It's a life for me. I'm dogging it. And when you look at a dog, oh man, sing shoo-bop, bam, shoo-bam. He's got a man and a madness and a madness.